How we doing? Double. Shake it up, shake. Now y'all surprised me today. Come on, let's give it up for the ladies, man. Let's give it up. Wow. First for me. It was a first. I've been doing 9 years and never saw nobody do it with the splits. Never seen it with the splits. Never seen it with the splits. And like the gentleman said, we gotta get number one for us. Give them out something. Give them, man. You look like you want to keep it, man. Give them something. You guys. Let's give it up. Alright, if you want to do the Cooper Shuffle, come on up, let's do the Cooper Shuffle.